I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. From bookkeeping to technical automation, we are the back office partner your contracting business deserves.
Watch this video to learn how to mark a quote as accepted in Xero. A quote can be accepted in two ways: by the customer from the link you sent them, or manually by you in Xero. First, let's look at how to manually mark a quote as accepted. Click Sales. Then select Quotes. Click the Sent tab to view the quotes you've issued. Use the Search field, or scroll to find the quote you want to mark as accepted. Click the checkbox next to the quote. Then select Accept. Your quote is now accepted, and Xero moves it from the Sent tab to the Accepted tab. You can click the menu icon in the Accepted quote to find the Unmark as Accepted option if you need to remove the accepted status. Next, let's look at accepting a quote from a customer's perspective. From the emailed quote, your customer can view the quote as a PDF attachment, or click the link to view the quote online. From the online quote, your customer has the option to accept, decline, contact merchant, or download quote. Once your customer accepts the quote, Xero moves the quote to the Accepted tab. Now you're ready to mark a quote as accepted in Xero. Remember to create an invoice, to record the customer sale, and recognize the amount the customer owes you.